presenting a stunning and well-maintained Mercedes-Benz C180 model 2015, now available for serious buyers in Karachi. This elegant luxury sedan has been driven only 49,000 kilometers, reflecting careful usage and exceptional maintenance. The car is 100% original, with no paint, touch-ups, or body repairs, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a genuinely clean and authentic vehicle. One of the key highlights of this C180 is the AMG kit installed, enhancing the overall sporty, aggressive, and premium appearance of the car. The exterior is in immaculate condition, while the interior is equally impressive, clean, fresh, and smoke-free. The leather seats, dashboard, and overall cabin environment provide a refined and comfortable driving experience. Mechanically, the car is in perfect shape. The engine, suspension, and transmission are all performing flawlessly with no work required. This vehicle delivers a smooth, powerful, and reliable drive, making it suitable for both city use and long-distance travel. If you're searching for a low-mileage, luxury Mercedes that offers style, comfort, and originality at a reasonable price, this C180 is an excellent choice. Demand: Final 1 crore 28 lakh. Location: Karachi. Only serious buyers may contact PLLZ. Like and subscribe. Thanks you.